In your 20s, money feels like this is an infinite loop of panic. You are told to travel and find yourself, but you are also told to save for a house, invest in crypto, and someone how afford $7 letters. I spent the first half of my 20s trying to do all of it, and I ended up with a $0 saving, and it's a lot of anxiety. But then I changed three specific things about how I viewed money. I don't just stop buying avocado toys. That's a bad advice. I built a system. Here is exactly how I manage my money in my 20s to go from broke to financially free without being miserable. First, I stopped trying to track every single penny. I realized that the willpower is a limited resource. If I have to decide not to buy a coffee every morning, eventually I am going to break. Instead, I used to pay yourself first model. As soon as my paycheck hit 20%, automatically went to a saving account I could not touch. 50% stayed in my checking account for bills. Then remaining 30, that was a guilt-free. If I want to blow in all of the weekend trip and expensive shoes, I could because my saving were already safe. It switches my mindset from I can afford this is to this is in my 30s bucket. Everyone tell you to invest in the SP and you should. But in your early 20s, the return of $100 or 70, that's not life-changing. I realized the biggest ROI was not in the stock market. It was in me. I spent money on books, courses, and workshop. I paid $300 for a course that helped me to negotiate a $5,000 rise. That's a huge return of investment. In your 20s, use your money to increase your earning from power. The stock can wait until you actually have cash to power into them. Finally, I built a freedom fund. Most people call this as an emergency fund, but emergency sound scary. Freedom sounds like an option. Having 3 to 6 months of expensive save, it gave me the ability to say no. I could quit a toxic job because I knew the how I must save. That a physically safety is worth more than any luxury car. Your 20s are not about being perfect. They are about building habits that make your 30s easier. You do not need to be a rich tomorrow. You just need to be a little less stressed than you were yesterday. If you want to know the specific book I read to change my money mindset, I will link them in a below. If you are feeling behind the life, watch this video next where I talk about compensation syndrome.